Hello, everyone. I'm Gev. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's Friday, April 24th, so let's talk capital. Thank God it's Friday, right? We made it. Guys, I want to take a couple minutes out here to talk about how irrational the media has gotten. You know, when we get headlines like this, the stock market is flashing a financial crisis signal, and it's insanely bullish. This is interesting. This is the first time I've come to the realization that a crisis and bullish go together. Have you guys ever heard of a good crisis? Insanity, pure insanity, you know? And then right next to the article, before you even scroll down and read this garbage, what does it say? Don't miss 70% of investors. The coronavirus recession will be worse than 2008. I mean, this is textbook. We're ready for a market crash. When everyone is bullish, when everyone only sees one direction, it's time to go the opposite direction. Okay. Stating that, let's go and do a quick weekly checkup on our market. So we had all markets closed except for Bitcoin, and you guys already know that Bitcoin trades 24/7. But outside of that, we had S&P 500 closed. Again, we closed underneath this level of resistance. The candle doesn't really mean much for the close. I mean, it's almost the same candle as last week, just hanging out up here. This can really go both ways. We can either move up or down. I'm still leaning bearish. I'm more neutral right now, but I'm definitely leaning bearish. Okay, we just need to see how it develops for the next week or two. Guys, volume again. You know, if this guy right here is correct with his insanely bullish crisis theory, which is insanity. But let's say he's right, right? Why are people not participating? You know, if we're ready to go set new all-time highs and skyrocket out of here, I mean, this is a generational buy opportunity if the stock market is ready for new all-time highs, right? This is a generational buy opportunity. Why are we not getting action on volume? Why are people not participating? It's just weird, right? You know, that's where the S&P sits. Dow Jones looks almost identical. And see what the Russell 2000 is doing here. Russell 2000 is at 1322. So weekly close happened almost identical weekly as the previous, just closing lower. So this should honestly, we should go lower. You know, see, you notice how the body of the candles has yet to come up to this level yet. This should push lower, right? That's what I'm expecting here. Real quick, I want to talk about some more irrational stuff going on. If you guys know who Shamit is, I'm gonna butcher his last name, so I'm not even gonna try saying it. But Shamit is an absolutely brilliant individual. This guy, he's a billionaire. He's part of Virgin Galactic. He's a part owner of the Warriors, CEO of Social Capital. This man is brilliant. Okay, and I want you guys to read this with me. Okay, for the morons who defend buybacks, consider this: IBM bought back 140 billion of stock over the last 20 years. Okay, so they bought back 140 billion dollars of their own stock. Okay, this is when companies use their own money to buy their stock, essentially pushing the price higher, right? IBM's market capital is now $105 billion. IBM just reported its lowest revenue since 1998. How's this winning? I mean, I could literally not put this in better words. How do you spend $140 billion buying back your own stock and your company is only worth $105 billion sitting today? So over 20 years, you've spent this much capital buying back your own stock and your market cap for your company is lower than the amount you've spent to buy back capital. And on top of that, you just recorded lower revenue than 22 years ago. I mean, irrationality is king, it seems like, right? I mean, all these markets are just acting absolutely irrational, just nonsense. Okay, let's move over to Tesla. Tesla, guys, everybody wants to attack me for saying Tesla's bearish. I love it. I absolutely love it. Keep attacking. I love the commentary. Um, I love that you guys have your own opinions. To be completely honest, that's what this market is about. Its reality is about opinions and who's going to be right or wrong. You know, and experience will teach you how you can be on the right side of the market. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a little nugget of information here. This downtrend that I put down on the daily chart, if I'm not wrong, yeah. So we put this downtrend down on the daily chart, basically taking into account this spinning top candle along with this one and our recent local top we had here. And we're rejecting it currently. We are, however, using this gap area. We had a gap here, and a gap here. We're using this as support. So this is going to stand as support for at least the coming days, whether we dump or not, right? However, we have a weekly Harami pattern. Okay, it's a bearish Harami pattern. Okay, before you ask me what is that, I'm going to show you exactly. So a Harami pattern is when you have a bullish candle for 1 week or day or whatever, it doesn't matter, right? We just have a bullish candle, and the next candle, the body of the candle is contained in the previous candle. This is a bearish reversal signal, right? A bearish Harami is a candlestick chart indicator for reversals in a bull price movement. Okay, this is off of Investopedia's website. This is exactly what we have here, right? We have a bullish candle with the next weekly close as a doji, as a spinning top contained in the previous candle's body. So the body of this is in the body of the previous week. Week. Okay, the wicks don't matter for this. It's the body that matters here, right? So again, looking for a reversal here. I'm looking for price action to come back down and test lower areas, at least for the time being, right? And then let's go to gold again. Gold 4 hour. Well, let me show you guys the weekly close. Weekly close, we closed up here, right? We closed in the wick here. And next week is going to be crucial for gold. Okay, so next week we're looking at either getting above 1750 or coming down below 1700. Okay, as far as the daily goes, I don't like the daily close. That's definitely a doji at resistance. This looks like a very nasty double top M formation. So M formation is basically M for murder, and you're looking like you're getting that, right? And that's what that can happen out of an M formation. M is murder, is double top. That's why it's called M, because it looks like an M. It's a double top, right? 4 hour chart. Get that out of there. 4 hour chart, we got the retest we were talking about. However, this happened while I was sleeping. Also, I don't trade Friday, so we're not getting in on that. But if you were paying attention and you did trade this, congratulations. You caught yourself a, what are we looking at? $19 move. That's super solid, especially for a Friday. So if you were paying attention to this and you caught that, congratulations. Solid move for a Friday. Outside of that, guys, not much more left to discuss. Pretty slow week, I would say. I'm looking for a lot more action next week. We should start getting some more volatility coming in next week. We're hitting on levels where it's either going to move hard in one way or another for most of these markets. I want you guys to please watch my video I'm going to put up tomorrow. I'm going to do a super in-depth dive on Bitcoin. We're approaching the halving event very soon, guys. So I'm going to do a deep dive and explain a bunch of stuff as far as Bitcoin goes. I'm going to explain to you guys why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin, whereas these markets look bearish. I am super bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to explain to you guys why. Outside of that, thank you guys for watching. As always, please like and comment if you like the content. If you don't, dislike and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.